Understanding legroom in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase legroom. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how and when to use it. Let's dive in. The term legroom is made up of two words. 1. Leg, the part of the body that connects the foot to the rest of the body. 2. Room, a space that can be occupied or where something can be done. When combined, legroom doesn't mean a room full of legs. Instead, it refers to the amount of space available for your legs, especially when you're seated. Legroom is often used in the context of transportation, especially in vehicles or places where seating is involved. Here are some examples. 1. The first-class seats on the plane offer more legroom than economy class. 2. Compact cars might not provide as much legroom as SUVs or sedans. 3. I wish this theater had more legroom. My legs feel cramped. Understanding and using the term legroom can make your conversations more natural, especially when discussing comfort during travel or events. Whether you're booking a flight, purchasing a car, or selecting seats at a concert, knowing about legroom can influence your choices and help convey your comfort preferences. And there you have it. Now you know what legroom means and how to use it in daily conversations. We hope this has been illuminating. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering more English phrases in no time. Until next time, happy learning!